Hello and welcome to Black Barbie Jewels. If you're a proud owner of gold-plated jewelries, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll be sharing some valuable maintenance tips on how to care for your gold-plated jewelries so they continue to shine and sparkle for years to come. Without much ado, let's get to the video. To clean your gold-plated jewelry, simply mix mild soap with warm water and use a soft bristle toothbrush to gently scrub away any dirt or grime. Rinse with warm water and dry with a soft cloth. Remember to avoid exposing your gold-plated jewelry to harsh chemicals like bleach, perfumes, acid, or ammonia. These chemicals can damage the gold plating and cause it to wear off faster. When storing your gold-plated jewelry, make sure to keep it separate from other pieces to prevent scratching. You can store it in a soft pouch or a box to keep it safe and secure. Finally, remember to handle your gold-plated jewelry with care. Avoid stacking or bending your pieces, as these can cause the gold plating to wear off faster. Thanks for watching and keep a date with us at Black Barbie Jewels